Okay, welcome back. Like I said, additional practice. This is going to be on the Schoology page. Make sure you can see the notes. Make sure you follow the video. I'm only going to do a couple only because I want you to be able to see that the answers are going to be given to you. You'll have the actual graphs. So you do want to be able to solve on your own and just make sure that you're doing it correctly. This is on your test, so make sure you can actually do it. Okay, let's rock and roll. Looking at the first one. First things first, as we can notice through all the problems, all of our variables, our letters, are all on the wrong side. So we need to be able to fix all of these equations before we even get started, okay? So first things first, I can see that my 3x is on the wrong side. I do want to subtract it, okay? Let me rewrite it. 0 is greater than 3x minus 3 minus 6. I do notice that this is a greater than symbol, so I know this is an open circle from our notes before. Next, draw a little border. Got to move this 3x to the other side. I will have to do that by subtracting it on both sides. 3 minus 3 is 0. Can't put these together, but 0 is nothing, so my new equation is negative 3x is greater than negative 3 minus 6. Of course, the point of this is so you can work it out on your own, but for time's sake, I do want to make sure we can work Math Solver. But before we even move on, I do see a problem. I see a negative x, which tells me to flip the symbol. Okay. I'm going to zoom out so we can look at the calculator and put that in real quick. Math again, up, solver, negative 3x, go downstairs, negative 3 minus 6, negative 3 minus 6, looks like that. Looks nice. Alpha, enter, x is 3. X is less than 3. Come to 3, open circle, arrow is pointing to the left. And then of course I can double check my answer. Looking at the back, looks like I did it great. Open circle and everything, looks gorgeous. Let's probably do this example and this example, 2 more, and everything else you do want to try it on your own. Jump into number 2, going in an order. Here we go. Lucky us, if I analyze this problem, I was incorrect earlier. We do have a positive 4x already on the right side. I mean the left side. So we're good to go just to go after the calculator. The symbol stays the same. Everything looks good. All I want to make a note of is this equal to is a closed circle. So I'm going to mark it and we'll work on the calculator. Why are we pushing the calculator so hard, ladies and gentlemen? We just want to make sure you have every possible chance of passing the STAR test, being able to use this as a check for understanding, making sure that you know that you are getting the correct answer. Of course, you don't want to be dependent off of it. You do want to be able to practice the arithmetic on your own. But of course, we don't want anybody to feel like they can't do something, so we will provide you with every opportunity to do so. Getting the answer, alpha, enter. Answer is negative 2. Remember the symbol stays the same. So I have x is greater than equal to negative 2. Negative 2 is right here. That's a closed circle. This arrow is pointing to the right. Let's check the answer in the back, number 2. Looks good. Close, going to the right. Okay. Last one. Number 3, we do have the n on the incorrect side. Don't worry that it's not an x. When you input into Math Solver, you still want to use x instead of n, just for time's sake and making sure that you get the correct value. So let me rewrite this real quick. -1 less than equal to 2. If you want, we can always change a 2 in x so you don't get confused. Plus 4 minus 5. Draw my border. Of course, the 2x is on the wrong side. Gonna move it over here. Right here it's positive, so I gotta subtract it. 2 minus 2 is 0. And then I just bring everything down. I cannot combine these because the -1 does not have an x, so I'll just rewrite it.